Hello and welcome to Delicious. I hope you are doing well. I am back with another new recipe. Today I will show butter naan. You can make it easily at home without tandoor. Roti mesh will be required. I have provided its link in the description. Let's see the recipe now. We will prepare the yeast at first. Take 1 teaspoon of yeast, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, add 10 teaspoon of lukewarm water. Mix well, there should not be any lumps, and then keep it aside for at least 5 minutes. Take 2 cups of maida. You can increase the quantity if you want to make more. Add the yeast and sugar solution. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add salt to taste. Mix everything well. Once mixed, knead the dough with lukewarm water. Do not thump the dough. We'll do it later. Cover the dough with a wet cloth. Keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. If you have more time, you can keep it for 1 or 2 hours. That would be better. Check the dough after 30 minutes. See how fluffy and soft the dough has become. Thump the dough for a while. Make palm-sized pieces from the dough and make them round like this with your palms. Now roll the pieces round using the rolling pin. Sprinkle maida before rolling. Sprinkle kalonji over the dough before rolling. The thickness will be normal. No need to make it very thin. Heat the tawa. Cook one side of the naan. Once you see little bumps on the surface, that means the other side of the naan is cooked. Cook the other side on a mesh. It is recommended that you use mesh to cook the other side so that it faces the fire directly and the bumps which were formed earlier are retained. It is highly recommended that you cook the naan one by one. Put butter while they are hot so that it melts and spreads evenly on the naan. Serve hot. Please make it and let me know in comments. If you have liked the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay well. Thank you.